Terrell Tigers. This is your superintendent, Dr. Warnock, with this week's edition of Wednesdays with Warnock. And we are here with Amy Toy, who is one of our amazing science leaders here in the district. She works with our curriculum and robotics, and she's here to tell us about something really exciting and new that's happening. So, Ms. Toy, tell us about this grant that you applied for.
Yes, so I applied for a grant with our Excellence Foundation and we won, and it's just over $17,000 for our 4 elementaries for our STEM program. And so it's a Lego Education Spike Essential Kits for all 4 elementary schools.
So tell us, what do you get to do with the Lego Essentials?
So it's really exciting. All 4 elementary STEM programs get 13 kits each for all of our students 1st through 5th grade. So all the students will get hands-on coding and engineering opportunities.
Okay, so I saw a little bit of the training in action, and it looked so fun, like playing with Legos, putting motors to it, making them kind of move and do things. Like, am I on the right track here?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the kids, each lesson, each grade level will have a different lesson, and they'll learn to build and engineer and then actually code their Lego build to do different things. And then the kids can adapt that and go further to do different things, like make it move, make lights flash, different things like that. So it's really exciting.
So this is every kid in Terrell ISD in our elementary schools, 1st through 5th grade, are having this option.
Yes.
How fantastic. So coding is the language of the future. We know that. The ability to build and create is so important. So thank you so much for bringing this innovation here to Terrell. We're thrilled about it.
Absolutely. It's so exciting.
Okay. That wraps up this week's edition of Wednesdays with Warnock. Stay tuned, and we can't wait to see those Legos in action. We'll see you next time.